Every day, nearly 100,000 flights and 100,000 ocean vessels produce 5% of global greenhouse emissions. This will double rapidly as developing nations buy consumer goods and travel by air. How can we cut emissions while also transporting more people and products? U.S. Naval Research Laboratory has demonstrated the creation of transport fuel from seawater. Carbon and hydrogen are electrolyzed and recombined into carbon-neutral fuel from seawater using only electricity. Clean, reliable, abundant energy is the missing ingredient. Energy for carbon-neutral fuels, energy to move our billion cars, energy to save the planet. Advanced nuclear power.